Hey, what's up everyone, my name is MAXIMUS ARANHA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You've been blow drying since a long time, but the end result you've always been getting is dry, frizzy, damaged and curly hair. But that's never going to happen again, because I'm here for you and I'm going to show you the most apt way to blow dry your hair to achieve soft, silky, straight and healthy hair after each blow drying process. If that sounds interesting, let's hop right into it. I'll start off by slicking my hair behind with the help of a round brush. If you do not have a round brush, the alternatives are a paddle brush or a fine-tooth comb. After slicking my hair behind, I'll simply blow dry my hair, and the blow drying technique is that your blow dryer has to follow the exact path your round brush is moving on. If your round brush is going from front to behind, your blow dryer will follow it from front to behind. If it's going from right to left, it will follow it from right to left. If it's going from left to right, the same, but it will follow it from left to right. After doing this, I'll blow dry my hair to one side of my head, that is either the right side or the left side. Then I'll simply blow dry it again by keeping it as straight as possible. Remember, you do not want any unnecessary curls in your hair. All you want is straight hair, so follow a straight path and command your blow dryer to follow your brush wherever it's going. Next up, flip your hair to the other side with the help of a round brush and follow the same pattern. After you're done with that, slick your hair behind once again and blow dry from front to back. And by following all these steps, it will take around 6 to 7 minutes if you have hair length around my hair length, like if your hair is similar to mine. Then after you're done with the blow drying process, you can just simply use your fingers to shape your hair, style it, and you can see you're getting awesome volume with no nasty curls. Your hair is completely straight, no frizzy hair, your hair is perfect. So this is the blow drying process which I follow, and it works perfectly for me. I have no complaints with it, it just works perfectly fine, and I suggest that you follow the same too. The results are impeccable. If this video helped you to take your hair level, hair game, or whatever you call it, to another level, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe so that you never miss out on any such video again. And yes, follow me on Instagram. I've always been telling you, you're gonna love my feed. You're gonna get great hair and fashion inspiration. And comment down below if this blow drying tutorial actually helped you or not. That's it for today. Peace.